How to delete email address in Facebook account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now simply tap on account center. Now scroll down. Now tap on personal details. Now tap on contact info. Now select the email address you want to remove. Now tap on delete email address. Now tap on delete. Now wait for some time. Now enter the code and tap on continue to now enter the code and tap on delete to remove the email address. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.